We're now joined by Rachel Nessel from Victoria College here to talk to us about the Academy of Lifelong Learning. Welcome, Rachel.
Thank you for having me today.
Well, it's great to see you, and I'm excited to hear about the spring course offerings for the Academy of Lifelong Learning.
Yes, we just published our schedule right before we left for Christmas break. We have some really neat things coming up in the spring.
Yeah, and you have an open house coming up.
We do, in about 2 weeks. 2 weeks from now, January 13th. We're doing it on a Tuesday this time, not a Thursday like usual. So Tuesday, January 13th in the afternoon, 1:30 to 4 at the Emerging Technology Complex. So we hope that we have a big crowd.
Yeah, and that's a big window of time, 1:30 to 4, and there's going to be some light snacks.
Light snacks. We're going to have some door prizes. It is come and go. We'll have lots of instructors that will be teaching our spring classes, so you can see a little bit about what we have to offer. Our returning members don't have to pay anything additional. Their fall membership dues cover this semester, but if we have anyone new that's coming in, it'll be the $55 membership dues.
Okay, and for those that may not be familiar with the Academy, it is a unique educational experience here in the Crossroads, offered only by Victoria College.
Absolutely. Yeah, it's a member-based organization that offers educational and enrichment opportunities to our community. While we are geared primarily toward retirees, we welcome people of all ages. And we have everything from crafting classes to history lectures. We go on day trips around our community. We go out to eat lunch together. And we're guided by our membership. So what our membership wants, we try to offer something new and exciting every semester.
And you get to make a lot of great friends.
You do, you do. We have a lot of people come in who have been kind of isolated in their homes and they're looking for something to do. So they're able to come in and join our organization and experience new things, meet those new people, make new connections.
And if you have a niche or an area of expertise of your own, you can volunteer and become an instructor.
That's right. We do have a lot of former educators that come in to do history lectures for us. We have some that do crafting classes for us. So we love featuring our members as instructors.
I have had the privilege of instructing a class through the Academy years ago. I need to really re-enroll because it's been too long. And I will say, those are some of the best students. I mean, these enrollees are completely engaged, and they also have a wealth of knowledge to contribute to the discussion.
That's right, they do. That's what we hear from a lot of our educators that come in. It's so refreshing to have someone so engaged in what they're talking about.
Well, the open house is right around the corner. Be sure to mark your calendars for Tuesday, January 13th at the Emerging Technology Complex. It's going to be from 1:30 p.m. to 4 p.m. So you may want to think about making a New Year's resolution in connection with furthering your education and maybe even sharing some of your own knowledge.
We would love that.
All right, well, thank you so much, Rachel.
Thank you for having me.
And coming up, don't go anywhere. We hear from the United Way. We'll be right back.